I want to invite you to our Oktoberfest show next week. The 20. Start over. Hope to see you. Hope to see you there. Darn it. I hope you can join us. Why can't I say I hope you can join us? One more from Scarlett. No, stop. I didn't get the rest of it. Doing live demos, machine demos all day long. Redo that one. Educational seminars. Nope, that was bad too. I stumbled on it.
Hey everybody, James Scarlett here from Scarlett Inc. I just wanted to personally invite you to our Oktoberfest next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be having a bunch of live demos of machines, some seminars, and it should be a great event. So click on the link or wherever they put the link, click on it for your RSVP and to get your tickets. So hope to see you there. Thanks.
Hope to see you. Hope to see you there. Darn it. I hope you can join us. Why can't I say I hope you can join us?